Hello, and welcome to a quick flashback of my life at Oxford during Ramadan. Ramadan is the Muslim holy month where we fast during the daylight hours, and I spent my Ramadan in Oxford this year. I have gathered a lot of clips throughout the month, and I'm going to show you how I spent my entire month. So, because I could only eat during the night hours, that is between 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the UK, so I tried staying up all night so that I didn't miss any meals. I tried sleeping and waking up again, but that didn't really work well with me. So, I switched to working and eating at night and then sleeping during the day. I spent my nights either listening to talks, seminars from across the world in different time zones, and doing some of my reading during the night, and sometimes even laundry so that I could stay awake at night and then eat and sleep. Hello from the college laundry room. The reason I'm speaking so quietly is because it's 1 a.m. and I'm doing my laundry right now. That's because I need to stay awake until 3 a.m. to eat sehri. That is the morning meal before fasting. It's Ramadan and I'm a Muslim, so I'll be fasting and I need to stay awake. So I just needed something to do within that time so that I don't fall asleep. So I'm doing my laundry right now. And the good thing is that at 1 a.m. no one else does the laundry, so you have it all to yourself. And since the pandemic started, the college has turned all machines free for us, so we don't have to pay for it, which is also nice. It's been a year now that laundry is free, so I'm just utilizing that, and I have a lot of stuff to wash off. So yeah. It's now almost 3 a.m. and my laundry is done, but surprisingly, I'm not the only person doing laundry at this time. There's someone else's clothes in that dryer over there. That means someone else is also doing the laundry at this time. It makes me feel a bit better. It's a bank holiday. I just came into the lab because I had to split some cells and also seed cells for some experiments starting tomorrow. So it was just an hour long of work, but what I didn't factor in was that buses would also be running at wider gaps than usual. So in normal days, I get a bus every 10-15 minutes from here to the city center, but today it is about 25 to 30 minutes of wait. So I waited half of the time inside the building because it's slightly cold, although it's now the beginning of May, but it's cold. So I spent half of the time waiting inside the building, and now I'm at the bus stop just so I don't miss the bus, because if I do, the next bus is half an hour later. So let's see. The weather in the UK was pleasant during Ramadan. As soon as Ramadan ended, it started raining all day. But I was really thankful that it was pleasant during Ramadan, considering that I couldn't eat or drink during the day. And my sleeping hours were generally between 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So, yeah, it wasn't an ideal schedule, but we got through it.